but we've already fixed several. This phone, the lower right corner, is still quite broken. The middle frame has been dented. The back cover of the Honor 100 Pro is still quite beautiful. The middle frame has been recessed. I need to polish it when installing it later. No problem anywhere else. This phone is also a few days after the year it was sent by fans and friends. He looked so broken I thought I had to change the whole screen. Like this model, we basically choose to disassemble the monolithic separation. This is a domestic screen. Now domestic mobile phones use a Samsung screen or LG screen. Already less. Basically, they are all domestic screens. Domestic screens are also getting better and better. It is also more friendly for our maintenance. Because after all, the price is cheaper. Even if the car rolls over, it won't hurt. Like Samsung and 423.0 string, if it rolls over, that's going to hurt for days. Screens are too expensive. Clean up the residual glue after the inner screen is separated. Preliminary positioning with a new external screen. After positioning, send it to the cutting machine for fitting. Fit complete. A simple test. There is no problem with the test. Send it into the defoamer to defoamer. Defoaming complete. Perfect. Start gluing machine. It's installed. Let's take a look again.